the Minister for State for External Affairs, General Vijay Singh, Minister for Industry and Trade, Your Excellency, the Indian High Commissioner to Fiji, the Permanent Secretary, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me much pleasure to be here this afternoon. The Minister for Industry and Trade and indeed the Minister for External Affairs has already stated as to why we are here today. But let me first start off by saying that I would like to once again echo the sentiments of our heartfelt gratitude and appreciation of the Indian government's assistance. Please put your hands together for the Honourable Minister. We would like to thank the Indian people and the Indian government for this assistance. Ladies and gentlemen, the Indian government and indeed the entire country is very well known for its innovation. It's also very well known for having a lot of grassroots movements. You will see in India, a lot of the movements that have started off at the grassroots movements through civil society, through NGOs, where, for example, a number of decades ago, their milk production is very low. They made a very considered effort to increase the milk production yields per cow. They've also started off various other projects in the rural areas. They've assisted small to medium enterprises. There's a lot of innovation, a lot of creation, a lot of private sector innovation also. And it is with the visit of the Honourable Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, when he came to Fiji, that he also made a pledge to assist the micro-enterprise grants that we are giving out, because he obviously saw a particular relationship and the philosophy behind this grant, and that is to help people at the grassroots level. Because people at the grassroots level sometimes have very good ideas, they have very good projects, they may have a small business, but they need that small additional help. With that small additional help, they're then able to create a lot better situations for them, a lot better environment for them, a lot better living standards for them, and in fact have sustained livelihoods. And this is why the Indian government is partnering with us, and we thank them for that assistance. We also would like to thank them for their assistance in other areas. The Honourable Minister only yesterday announced that the Indian government will also contribute US $1 million to assist us in the COP23 presidency, and that will be put into our trust funds. Please put your hands together for that too, ladies and gentlemen. They've also offered us technical assistance in this great task that we've been given as a small Pacific Island country to take the articles of the Paris Agreement forward to the rest of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, my task, of course, is to read out a few names of the individuals who've actually benefited. As you know, our Honourable Prime Minister has gone around Fiji and, of course, with the Minister for Industry and Trade, and provided and given out these grants to people all over Fiji, in Vanua Levu, in Viti Levu, in rural areas, in urban centres, and given that assistance to individual Fijians who actually have benefited from it. And the success rate has been in excess of about 70%. 70% of the people who have received these grants have actually gone further into their business. This is why exactly we are partnering with FDB. The Fiji Development Bank, of course, does not necessarily deal with micro-enterprises, but by assisting micro-enterprises and getting you to be a customer of FDB, they can further assist you once your business grows even further. I'd like to read out a few names, ladies and gentlemen, give you some example and perhaps inspiration about those individuals. Miss Atera Vambula of Nosole was provided $1,000 for a tailoring business. She now earns $450 per month compared to the $210 prior to the assistance. The assistance has not only raked in higher sales, but it also has expanded her customer base. Mr. Mohammed Amir Khan of Waini Vunindio, Navua, was provided with grant assistance of $999.50 for his vegetable farming business. This has further improved his business, which is realized through the increase in its sales from $200 a week to $450 a week. Ms. Kalera Dunavatu of Dreka Village, Singatoga, was provided with $1,000 for a canteen business. The assistance has further improved her business by increasing her stock ability to sell a variety of products, which has led to increase in sales from $100 a week to $300 a week. Mr. Philemon Nakasi of Ba was also provided with $1,000 for his cash crop farming business. The grant assistance has contributed to the improvement in his business with an increase in sales from $50 per week with $90 per week. Ladies and gentlemen, I would now like to read out the names of those individuals who will benefit from the grant assistance that we will give today. As I read out your names, please stand up so that people can actually see you and you get that level of recognition. Of course, others of you will also be receiving that grant, but we've just picked a few people to give an idea as to what they're doing with their businesses. Mr. Joshua Wangawai of Zombati. If you're here, please stand up. There you go. Please give him a hand, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Joshua will be given $999 to purchase a grass cutter for his existing grass cutting business. Mr. Ashwin Kumar of Kalambu. Mr. Ashwin Kumar. Is he there? Okay, Mr. Ashwin Kumar. Please give him a round of applause. Mr. Ashwin Kumar of Kalambu will be assisted with $1,000 to purchase materials for his carpentry business. Ms. Amalai Saunduandua of Nakasi, please stand up. Thank you very much. Please put your hands together for Ms. Saunduandua. Will be given $1,000 to purchase materials for a handicraft business. And last but not least, Mr. Rajanesh Chand of Waini Salato Settlement, Namboro. The right over here. There you go. Please give him a round of applause. Will be given a grant assistance of $1,000 to purchase a chest freezer to stock his frozen food selling business. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This is the type of businesses that we are assisting, people who just need a slight leg up to be able to improve their businesses, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, just for your information also, government has a number of other systems that we do provide by way of, for example, those people who have graduated to smaller businesses. If you go to a mainstream commercial bank and the banks ask you to provide additional seed funding, the government actually steps in through the Reserve Bank of Fiji and guarantees that component of your loan so you're able to then access that loan. Today we have over $70 million that's been given out as guaranteed loans to those small businesses who've gone to mainstream commercial banks. So you can see, those of you who are starting your small businesses, there's a lot of opportunities for you. Government is here to give you a helping hand further to help you stand up on your own 2 feet completely one day. So thank you once again, ladies and gentlemen, for being here today. We'll of course start off with the giving of the individual grants for all of those of you who are here. I'd like to once again thank the Honorable Minister from India for his presence, for taking out the time to be here with us. And as he leaves Fiji, we hope that he takes very fond memories. I most certainly have enjoyed his company over the past 2 days, and we look forward to deepening our relationship with India, and we hope that he will one day also return to Fiji as a tourist. Thank you very much, and I wish you a very pleasant journey back home. Thank you. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please, a big round of applause for the Republic of India and the assistance towards Fiji.
Emosi levavi lamba, emosi vakasawanga, eroni agatombe, eseroma lemba lemba, Seta Mainaya Burero, Sita Marama, Eugene Bambadul Singh, Pane Sekiwai, Pane Wuli, Farija Faras, Femina Bablal, Ketailangi Michael, Filippo Rambitu, Finau Rabola, Fipe Maria Patrick, Govin Sarwan, Ilai Taukena, Ilaisa Kotoimango, Ilaisa Tutumbo, Ilaisa Ndendangasa, Ilaiti Ambali Toni Tonga, Leitia Wanga, Iliana di Berbuni, Iliana Ikaniwalala, Iliesa Ulimbau, Iliesa Tikumainiumea, Ilika Leti Latonga, Leti Pandaini, Levani Rokomuna, Levani Tule, Live Ramalawa, Live Maramai Sokula, Likurandini Tai, Lino Edward, Iki yang mengintikali, Levi Namoro, Ivi Aranamila, Loata, Loata Lewania, Loata Tambu, Romani Monica, Lori Martina Rala, Lorcio Celo, Rosalini Maria, Rosalini Tautau, Rosalini Tuinitambu, Rosalini Buli, Rosana Sivoale, Losena Bagaloloma, Loten Dembalevu, Rosana Toto, Rosena Bagaloloma, Loten Dembalevu, Lote Rukubau, Luis Marie Tanuku, Lucy Smith, Louis Matansinga, Louis Bakarau, Louis Samarama, Louis Sarandini Viwa, Louis Samasi, Louis Samo, Louis Savu, Lusaini Lalausinga, Luciane Cassetti, Luciane Wainingolo, Luciana Vindre, Lucian Liku.
Liku.
Mahi Pau.
Ayupal.
Maikeli Tambua.
Tambua. Keli Tambua.
Maikeli Matakimbau.
Bau. Bau.
Makarita Maria.
Rita Maria.
Makelesi Moai.
Semai.
Makelesi Tambuendrena.
Adriana.
Makereta Lomani.
Rata Lomani.
Makereta Ulu Nikoro.
Ulu di Koro. Rata Ulu di Koro.
Makereta Muni Raukula.
Ini daw pula.
Makereta na Ravi-Ravi.
Rabi-rabi.
Malti Devi.
Alti Devi.
Manaini Vakau.
Mana ini takau.
Manaini Marama.
Ini Marama.
Manaini Wati.
Mana ini Wati.
Manaini Mula.
Bula. Bula.
Manasa Roko Saulo.
Solo. Nasa. Solo. Manasa. Solo.
Manoj Kumar. Marayet
Manoj.
Maria Tinai.
Dia Tinai.
Maria Josephine.
Ada Josephine.
Maria Melania.
Melania.
Maria Kaitani.
Kaitani.
Maria Rosa.
Rosa.
Mariana Taraivini.
Yana Taraibini.
Mariva Maopa. Mariva Tambe.
Tambe. Mareta.
Marieta Fesaitu.
Mareta kesa itu.
Marian Anna.
Dan anak.
Marcelina Sailiku.
Marcelina.
Martin Singh.
Marcelina.
Marcelina Seliku.
Mati.
Martin Singh. Mary St. John.
St. John.
Mary Faith.
Faith.
Matayas Tawake.
Yastawake.
Matayas Simila. Matilita Ketendau.
Ketendau.
Matilita Munaki.
Unaki.
Matilita Vina.
Telite. Iwa.
Matilita Fane.
Kafane.
Matilita Serra.
Serra. Hah? Yolo.
Mela Yandilani.
Bilang
Mela Yawati.
Wati.
Melanie Adomni Sangha.
Derembuna.
Mere Vakatalemeke. Mere Ani Lemba. Mere Ani Naulivou. Mere Ani Roko Tuiverata. Mere Ani Chiuta. Mere Ani Soleil. Mere Ia Vatulala. Mere Ia Lendua. Mere Oni Masekirewa. Mere Oni Kiti. Mere Oni Meve. Mere Oni Watisoni. Mosese Kalibatarua. Mosese Kotomalavu. Mosese Galita. Mosese Boca. Mosese Tangimetaua. Mayra Sisipa. Nasbano. Navanimbola. Nafitalain Rendalo. Naivabu Ngalo Kibuya. Nalini Devi. Nani Sengau Nabinaka. Nani se ndau ni toko. Nani se pote. Naomi Reinima. Naomi Talakuli. Naomi Matirerenga. Nemani Tamanalangi. Nemani Morogorua. Netani Tenu. Neville Roden. Iteslal. Nyumaya Watirabia. Nona Danieli. Nonia Tayongo. Nonia Dula. Honorina Tapuambao. Osebata Lema. Panapasa Takarimo. Pase Pabingarabi. Pase Pabisikiaki. Paula Dewanrau. Paula Bura. Pauliasi Batunalamba. Pauliasi Bulime Babalangi. Pauline Lilian. Paulini Kamata Sarta. Pedeli Rokorapono. Penibitu. Petero Roakere. Aisake Makakula. Akamisi Vaveni. Akapusi Diu. Akapusi Kata. Akeai Tanam Bokandi. Akeneta Nandi. Akesa Wakambutuki. Akesa Wakambutuki. Akotita Masaname. Akotita Rokomate. Akotita Solivalu. Alanieta Wambaniu. Alena Ditai. Alena Tikomai Merke. Alesi Andi. Alesi Rio. Apereti Mati. Alfina Marama. Aliki Kai. Aliki Lendua. Alipa Tendrani Basta. Alumedi Batulili. Alisi Nailolo. Alumedi Batulili. Alumedi Watiso Wembao. Almita Sarabi. Amalia Saumundua. Amele Leno. Amelia Takayawa. Amelia Tumbuna. Amelia Senyuaitui. Amelia Serrao. Amenatabe na Italakani. Aminyasi Wanga. Aminyasi Batanitawake. Aminyo Tambuar. Ana Sobaki. Ana Wanga Bilimbili. Ana Tuikormo. Ana Natanu. Ana Sabelina, Ana Redang Davao, Ana Redes Kandavu,
हम नहीं आता है ना ना
Ana Re Matitonga, Ana Regu Kinamolegu, Ana Re Tamokoiwanga, Ana Rico Bunsei, Ana Sandainga, Ana Seni Paulina, Ana Seni Latu, Ana Seni Kinai,